to remember about the high street banking statistics that we're publishing today is that they reflect data that was collected before the Bank of England decided to move interest rates down. Against that backdrop then, there are really three things that we're finding are interesting this month. The first is we're seeing evidence of a softening of the housing market. Mortgage approvals are growing, but they're growing at a slower rate than they were last month, at just under 3%. We've seen house purchase approvals decline by 21% year on year, and we've also seen remortgage approvals decline or grow at a slower rate as well. What this suggests is that in relation to the housing market, we're seeing a slightly softer housing market than we have done perhaps a year ago, and that just reflects broader trends in the sector. The second trend that we're seeing relates to consumer credit. Consumer credit is still growing, and if we look at credit cards, for example, the rate of growth annually is about 6.1%. Unsecured lending, personal loans and overdrafts, is growing at a rate that is the fastest since 2007 at nearly 6.8%. The third thing that we're interested in this month is the fact that businesses are borrowing at a slower rate as well. Given that business deposits are also growing at a slower rate, this suggests that businesses are not going to the market for their working capital, but using their own deposits and their own internal resources.